Cut Asana. Stand straight. Inhale and lift the hands above your shoulder and join the palms. Exhale and bend the knees slowly. Push the hips back without tilting the spine. The legs will be approximately 45 degrees from the floor. Hold the pose for 30 seconds or as per your capacity. You can look in front or if comfortable can tilt the chin slightly and look at the thumbs. Make sure the abdomen is pulled in, the back is not overarched, head, knees and toes are in one line. Knees should not press each other. To dismount, inhale and straighten your knees and get your hands down to the starting posture. Kumbhak Asana. Come to the tabletop posture. Contract the abdominal muscles, engage the pelvic and straighten up your legs one after the other. Hold the pose for 30 seconds or as per your capacity. Make sure the buttocks and knees are slightly tightened. Gaze in front. From head to heel, the body should be straight. Fingers wide open, pointing forward. Shoulders relaxed and in line with the wrist. To dismount, bend the knees back to the tabletop posture. Makara Adho Mukha Svanasana. Come to the tabletop posture. Bend your elbows and place it on the mat. Fingers can be wide open or interlocked. Contract the abdominal muscles and straighten up the legs one after the other. Hold the pose for 30 seconds or as per your capacity. Make sure the buttocks, abdomen and knees are slightly tightened. Gaze in front. Head to heel, the body should be straight. Shoulders relaxed and in line with the elbows. To dismount, bend the knees and straighten up the elbows back to the tabletop pose. Ardha Pincha Mayurasana. Come to the tabletop pose. Bend your elbows and place it on the floor in line with the shoulder. Fingers can be wide open or interlocked. Slowly raise the hips and knees off the floor and balance on the feet, forearms, elbows and wrists. Hold the pose for 30 seconds or as per your capacity. If necessary, you can readjust your feet. Make sure the shoulders are relaxed and the abdomen is tightened. To dismount, bend the knees and place them on the mat. Then straighten up the elbows back to the tabletop posture. Shalabhasana. To begin, lie down on the stomach. Place your palms underneath the pelvic region on either side of the body with palm facing upward. Chin will be on the mat. Contract the buttocks slightly and as you inhale, slowly lift both the legs. Hold the pose for 30 seconds. Make sure the legs are not bent when lifted and the wrists are slightly low from the hip bone. To dismount, exhale and slowly place your legs back on the mat. Release your hands to the starting posture. Urdhva Prasarita Padasana. Lie down on the back with feet together, legs active and toes facing towards the ceiling. Either place your hands underneath your pelvis if more support is required, or keep them by the side of the hips or stretch them above the head, which will give a good chest opening. Inhale and slowly lift both the legs up to 90 degrees. Exhale and slowly get the legs down. Repeat this for 10 times. Make sure the movement is controlled. Legs and knees should be straight. Abdominal muscles should be active and contracted. In the last round, hold the legs up and stay in the position for 30 seconds or as per your capacity. Keep taking long and deep breaths. Then slowly get your legs back on the floor. Release your hands back to the starting posture. Navasana. To begin, lie down on your back. Inhale deeply. As you exhale, bring the head and legs up simultaneously. Balance on the hip joints. Hold for 30 seconds or as per your capacity. Hands should be held parallel to the ground at knee or shoulder level. Palms can be facing each other or downwards. Make sure the legs and back are straight and spine lengthened. Core should be engaged or contracted and no strain on the lower back. To release, lower the legs, raise the hands up and straighten the back. Then lower the arms and place them on the mat. You can repeat this for 3 times. If you like this video and want to hear again from me, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at thehappynest15. Thank you. Stay happy.